Hello everyone, I am Victor from Windsor.ai, and today I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to connect Tableau to your Salesforce data. If you prefer this content in a written form, check the link in the description. The first step you'll have to do is go to Windsor.ai, and if you're using it for the first time, you can click on Get Started or Start a Free Trial. If you already have an account, go directly to onboard.windsor.ai and log in. I'll click on Get Started. On the left side panel, you'll see all the platforms that Windsor can connect to, but for this video, we'll focus on Salesforce. The next thing you'll have to do is grant Salesforce access to your account. So I'll use my account for connecting to Salesforce. And allow all the permissions required by Windsor. Now just select your account that you've just added, and then you'll be prompted to create an account with Windsor. It's a free trial for 30 days. Next, you'll click on Data Preview, and you'll have a couple of fields already added into your Salesforce data. Let's say you want to look at campaigns. Then you can use the right side panel for choosing the fields that you want to add in your data source. For this exercise, I'll choose campaign name, campaign status, campaign type, start date, budgeted cost, and let's search for actual cost. In this panel, you'll be able to see a preview of your data and then choose destination. For this video, we'll focus on Tableau, but as you can see, there are multiple options for destinations. Now you'll see the instructions for connecting Tableau to Windsor.ai. So I'll go to Tableau, choose Web Data Connector, enter tableau.windsor.ai, and then copy the URL for my data source. Click on Next. Select all the fields that I've already selected and click Submit. I can make further edits on my data here, and then I can go to create a sheet on top of this data. So, in a matter of minutes, I have my Salesforce data within Tableau, and now I can do various analysis on top of it. I can choose campaign name, status, type, and the budgeted cost versus actual cost. I can do this as a bullet graph, and now I can see how my spending looks like. You can try Windsor.ai using a 30 days free trial or book a demo with one of our support specialists. Thank you.